Hello friends and welcome back to the Redesigned channel. So friends, today I will talk about Cooler Master newly redesigned Master Liquid Core to Liquid Cooler. So friend, Cooler Master has updated the Master Liquid Core to Liquid Cooler that comes in both 240 and 360 size, and this latest version of Cooler Master Liquid series built on the excellence of the renovated series of liquid cooler while bearing an array of new features to the table with a refined G9R dual chamber pump, updated CPU compatibility and more. And the Master Liquid Core 2 is an upgraded fit for next generation. So friend, the upgraded design resulting in a compact cooler with superior performance, and the Core 2 is comfortable with all latest AMD and Intel CPU. An infinity mirror pump cover gives a core a stellar aesthetics, and brand new fan blade and remap visual deliver outstanding performance with a fresh look, and including quick mount kit compatible with all mainstream processor socket along with the pre-installed fan. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.